Do you believe in the power of crystals? A question that has sparked curiosity and debate for centuries. From the ancient Sumerians to modern crystal enthusiasts, these beautiful stones have been revered for their supposed healing and luck-bringing properties. Crystals, with their unique structures and vibrant colors, aren't just eye candy. Many believe they hold a special energy, a power that can be harnessed to bring about change, healing, and good fortune. Throughout history, crystals have found their way into the practices of healers and spiritual guides, into the homes of the hopeful and the pockets of the ambitious. They've been used as talismans of protection, tools for meditation, and tokens of wealth and prosperity. The allure of these natural beauties transcends time and culture, drawing in those seeking a touch of magic in their everyday lives. Now let's delve into the world of these magical stones. First on our list, Citrine, also known as the Merchant's Stone. This beautiful gem, with its warm golden hues, is more than just a sight for sore eyes. It carries with it a rich history and a reputation for attracting wealth and prosperity. In the vibrant world of crystals, Citrine stands out with its unique energy. It is a joyful stone with bright energy which lights up many aspects of lives of those who work with it. It has energies of good fortune and good luck, though these may appear in unexpected ways. Historically, merchants were known to place this gem in their cash registers. It was a token, a sort of mascot that was believed to bring good luck in their business ventures. This practice stems from the belief that citrine has the ability to manifest abundance and prosperity. It's not just about financial wealth though. Citrine is also believed to bring about success in various fields and endeavors, making it a holistic charm for prosperity. And it's not just for merchants. Whether you're starting a new business, embarking on a new project, or simply wanting to bring a little more success into your life, citrine, with its vibrant energy and historical significance, might just be the lucky charm you need. So if you are looking for success in business, citrine might be your lucky charm. Next up, meet Pyrite, the stone of luck. This fascinating crystal, often referred to as fool's gold due to its metallic luster and pale brass yellow hue, is much more than meets the eye. Pyrite is renowned for its incredible ability to attract an abundance of prosperity and wealth. But how does it work, you may wonder? Think of Pyrite as a personal financial advisor, constantly guiding you towards decisions that lead to financial success. It encourages positive thinking and assertiveness, two key attributes in the world of wealth creation. But that's not all. Pyrite is also known to stimulate intellect and enhance memory, making it a perfect companion for those in academia or business. However, the Stone of Luck isn't solely about material wealth. Pyrite is also a powerful protector, known for shielding its owner from negative energy. Imagine it as a silent guardian, deflecting harmful vibes and keeping your aura clean and vibrant. Whether you're navigating the turbulent waters of the corporate world or dealing with a challenging personal situation, Pyrite is there to keep you safe and grounded. So, if you're looking for a crystal that can enhance your prosperity while also offering protection, Pyrite might just be the stone for you. Remember, it's not just about the physical wealth, but also about the richness of your well-being and peace. Pyrite, a stone that not only brings luck but also provides a protective shield. Moving on to green Aventurine, the stone of opportunity. This mesmerizing crystal carries a strong connection to Earth and the device kingdom, providing a better understanding and appreciation of nature and its soothing vibrations upon the mind and body. It's widely considered the luckiest of all crystals, especially when it comes to manifesting prosperity and wealth. Now, you might wonder, why is it called the Stone of Opportunity? Well, it's believed that green Aventurine has the unique ability to release old patterns and habits, allowing for new growth to take place. It's like a spring cleaning for your soul, sweeping away the cobwebs of past mistakes and regrets, and making room for new opportunities and experiences. Imagine a crystal that not only brings good luck, but also encourages the growth of a vibrant and fresh perspective on life. That's green Aventurine for you. It's like a trusted friend who pats your back when you're down and reminds you that every setback is a setup for a comeback. And whether you're starting a new business venture, embarking on a personal journey, or simply looking to inject some positivity into your day-to-day life, green Aventurine is there to help. It's not just a stone, it's a partner, a silent cheerleader, a beacon of hope when the skies are gray. Green Aventurine, your partner in creating new opportunities. Coming up next, Jade, also known as the Dreamstone. Steeped in centuries of cultural lore and metaphysical properties, Jade has long been revered as a stone of prosperity, wisdom, and harmony. Its striking green hue is not only a feast for the eyes, but is also synonymous with growth and renewal, making it a fitting symbol for good luck and fortune. But Jade's allure extends far beyond its physical beauty. It's believed to be a powerful conduit for attracting an abundance of opportunities and prosperity. Picture it as a magnet, drawing towards you the very essence of success and wealth. Yet, Jade's influence is not solely materialistic. It also promotes wisdom, helping its bearers to see beyond the surface and understand the deeper meanings of life's experiences. Yet imagine it as a wise old friend, offering guidance and insight in times of uncertainty. Moreover, Jade is renowned for its balancing properties. It fosters a sense of peace and tranquility, harmonizing the energies within and around us. Envision it as a serene lake, reflecting the calmness and equilibrium necessary for personal growth. And let's not forget its role as a peace promoter. In a world often clouded by chaos and conflict, Jade serves as a beacon of serenity, radiating calming vibrations that help soothe the soul. Jade, a stone that not only brings luck, but also harmony and balance in life. Now let's talk about Tiger's Eye, the stone of protection. Imagine holding a stone with a captivating gleam, radiating a warm golden hue with bands of rich earthy brown that shimmer in the light. That's the majestic Tiger's Eye for you. This stone is not just a feast for the eyes, but a powerful ally in your journey towards good fortune and safeguarding against negative energies. Tiger's Eye is believed to be a talisman of luck and protection, a stone that wards off the evil eye and shields its wearer from ill wishes and harm. But this stone's magic doesn't stop there. It is also renowned for its ability to promote mental clarity. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we often get clouded by emotions. making it difficult to make objective decisions. This is where the tiger's eye comes in handy. It assists in clearing the mind, helping us to see situations as they are, unclouded by emotions. It's like having a wise advisor by your side, one that guides you to make sound decisions and helps you navigate through life's challenges with ease and confidence. So, whether you're seeking luck, protection, or a clear mind, consider inviting the energy of the tiger's eye into your life. This vibrant stone is a testament to the belief that the natural world has much to offer us in terms of wisdom, protection, and prosperity. Tiger's eye, a stone that offers luck, protection, and mental clarity. Last but not least, clear quartz, often referred to as the master healer. This revered crystal is known for its high energy levels, which is why it's often used in healing rituals and meditations. Clear quartz is a powerhouse of positive energy, capable of purifying negative energy and replacing it with positivity. This crystal's abilities go beyond just healing. It's also renowned for its ability to enhance the properties of other crystals. Yes, you heard that right. When paired with other crystals, clear quartz acts like a natural amplifier, boosting their energies and making them more potent. This property alone makes it a must-have in any crystal collection. Clear quartz's energy is so potent that it can even purify the environment around it. It's like a cleansing rain that washes away negativity, leaving only positivity in its wake. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to create a positive environment, be it at home, at work, or even in personal spaces. But that's not all. This master healer also attracts positive energy. It's like a magnet for good vibes, pulling positive energy towards it and spreading it around. So if you're looking to attract positivity into your life, clear quartz might be just what you need. And there you have it. Clear quartz, amplifying the power of your other crystals and bringing positive energy into your life. So there you have it, 6 crystals that could bring you luck and money. We started with the merchant stone, renowned for its ability to promote success in business and attract wealth. Then we moved on to the stone of luck, a crystal believed to boost luck and prosperity. And next we discussed the stone of opportunity, a gem thought to increase chances of success in new ventures. The dreamstone followed, believed to bring luck in the form of realizing dreams. We then delved into the stone of protection, a crystal that not just safeguards, but also attracts financial stability. Lastly, we talked about the master healer, a crystal known to balance energies and encourage overall prosperity. Remember, while these crystals have their unique properties, your belief and intent play a crucial role. Please like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, may these crystals bring you all the luck and wealth you desire.